How to use the YouTube TV app free trial. Step number 1, verify service availability. YouTube TV is currently available only in the United States. Step number 2, sign up for the free trial. Visit the YouTube TV website and click on Try It Free. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one. Enter your payment information. Note that you won't be charged until the trial period ends. Step number 3, download the YouTube TV app. On your device, go to the App Store. Search for YouTube TV and download the app. Step number 4, sign in to the app. Open the YouTube TV app. Sign in using the Google account associated with your free trial. Step number 5, explore content. Browse through live TV channels, on-demand shows, and movies available during your trial. Utilize features like unlimited cloud DVR to record your favorite programs. Step number 6, manage your subscription. To avoid charges, ensure you cancel your subscription before the trial period ends. You can manage or cancel your subscription through your account settings on the YouTube TV website.